it's a strange time. It's strange economically and politically. You see companies that need to grow across the world in an economy that wants to sort of shave itself back still a little bit. And when you put those two things together, the policymakers tend to get more protective and restrictive, and that increases your compliance obligations and costs. And so what we see, I think, right now is a trend, not just in the United States, but everywhere, is a greater insistence by governments on compliance and, well, really punishment of companies. I think we're well placed, and it's because of the relationships that we have with government. You know, somebody like me who's recently come from government and knows people and understands how policymakers think. My partners, we have several partners, same position, so that we can work both sides of the aisle in the United States, in the executive branch and the legislature. And we have relationships with governments across the world because of our people. And that's the quality of our people. In terms of what we do, I think the better answer is I don't really call that relations, I call that strategies. Because we sit down and look across our client base, decide and figure out what the trends are, and then try to understand those trends, develop strategies and policies that will work, and then convey those to the government. And once we get them out to the government, we try to make sure that they get passed or become law. We're in the best position to give the best advice, and I think good ideas always influence the government.